Lesson 10. Trade with one click. There's a feature in MetaTrader platform to place an order faster with just one click. In this lesson, we will explain one-click trading. You have to activate the one-click trading plugin before start using. To accomplish this, we go to the Tools tab and select Options. We click on Trade tab. We mark the one-click trading checkbox. We accept the terms and conditions and close the windows. Now, one-click trading plugin is active. Let's explore how to use it. Now let's see the convenience it provides in terms of stop loss and take profit. For this, we open a position. Let's assume that we want to place a stop loss order for this position. We would do this by double-clicking on stop loss or take profit fields inside the position manually. But now it is sufficient to drag and drop our position on the chart. As we see, we drag the dashed line which shows our position on the chart. As we drag, you can see the numerical value of the stop loss order. The stop loss order will be placed at a position we release the mouse. Now let's place a take profit order. As we drag our position to the other side, take profit order comes into play. Likewise, our profit target gives us an idea numerically above the line. As we release the mouse, take profit order will be placed. Besides placing stop loss and take profit orders, it's also easy to close the position in one-click trading. If we click on the little close button, our position will be closed instantly. We cannot place stop loss and take profit orders and pending orders by drag and drop method. We first create a pending order in the pair. Now let's try to place a stop loss order. If we drag our pending order to that position, we will be changing the entry level of the order instead of placing a stop loss order. One-click trading option provided us to change the entry level for the order easily. You have to use the classic method to place take profit or stop loss orders. We want to explain another detail of one-click trading. You can easily use this option to modify and delete your stop loss or take profit orders. You can easily change the position or take profit or stop loss orders by dragging. In order to cancel the stop loss or take profit orders, you have to right-click on the mouse and select the cancel option. Now, let's move on to the next lesson.